Jenny. Happy birthday. May you have many more birthdays to come. At sana hindi na sumakit ang paa. Lagi sanang ayos. At sana marami pang blessings ang matanggap ng buong pamilya. Maligayang pagbati at see you soon.
Hi, dito dyan. Happy birthday. Maligayang bati sa iyo. Ilang taon na? Bata pa yan. Pupupog pa yan eh. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Maraming birthday pa. Meron akong tatlong maliliit na patatas. Bye. See you soon.
Happy birthday to you. Say, Johnny.
Johnny?
Yes, Papa.
No, Papa.
Happy birthday. Okay, Johnny. Say, Johnny. Happy birthday.
Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Mama.
Say happy birthday first.
Mama.
Happy birthday.
Mama.
You sing first.
Mama, Didi.
Happy birthday, Tito
Mama.
Johnny.
Mama.
Lolo, tito.
Mama.
More years to...
Hello, Tito Johnny. Kumusta ka dyan? Balita ko birthday mo lang. Happy birthday, ha? Sayang, wala ako dyan. So, nag-enjoy lang naman ako dito. Pero, huwag ka mag-alala. Itong message na ito ay makakapos sa'yo. At parang nandyan na rin ako. Ikain mo lang ako ng mga cake. Masarap yan, ha? Kaya lang, ikaw na lang ang kumain kasi nakakataba yan. Nga pala, Tito Johnny, yung mga joke mo, medyo palitan mo na kasi iba na ang status mo sa buhay. Kaya yung mga luma, mga bago naman ang mga jokes ang gawin mo. Tsaka nga pala, naalala ko yung Ilocanang pinapakuha mo kasi pupunta kami ng Batangas. Out of stock daw ho ang maitim na Ilocana. Kaya yung maputi na lang ang hahanapin ko pero mahirap pa rin hanapin. Happy birthday ulit. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Tito Johnny. Greetings from Jubail. I wish you all the best and sana may magmana ng paggawa ng misalet. Yan ang agam-agam ng mga nasa Jubail. Sino na raw gagawa ng misalet? And thank you very much for everything. We love you and God bless. Keep on singing and sana balang araw magkasama tayo sa ating ministry sa Baclaran Church. Continue doing it, all the things that we have done here in Riyadh, and I'm now continuing it in Jubail. I hope we can do it later in Baclaran. And thanks for all the help that you have given me. God bless you. Bye.
Hi, Daddy! Happy birthday! Sayang wala si Sai dito to greet you on or to give you a video message, but I asked her to write a letter, and ito yung sinabi niya. Sabi niya, "Dear Tatay, I miss you very much and love you very much too. I wish we will never be separated and we will always be together. I really like being with you because you're funny and fun. I love you. God bless. Happy birthday, love, Sai." Ayun. Yun. Happy birthday ulit. And always take care of yourself. And thank you for everything. Especially for providing for us and taking care of us. Because I remember one of my fondest memories was when we were younger, lagi ka nagpapasalubong ng goto. Na nasa plastic pa lang, binubutas ko na yung corner, iniinom ko na, sinisip-sip ko na yung goto. The best goto ever. And one thing I remember then is kapag malapit na tayo sa bahay, so dala-dala natin yung owner, papaupuin mo ako sa lap mo and then you let me kind of drive. Pinapahawakan mo sa akin yung steering wheel, tapos you let me drive hanggang sa makarating sa bahay, ganon. Tapos every Sunday, pag kumakanta ka, I remember you singing 2 songs. Yun yung nagtumatak talaga sa akin. One is yung How Much Is That Doggy on the Window. Tapos pag nagpunta na doon sa part na yun, mag-aaw-aw na kami ni ate at saka ni Joy. At saka yung the other song is yung Chiquitita. Those are 2 of your favorite songs na lagi mong kinakanta kapag nagkakaraoke ka sa bahay. So yun. I love you, Daddy. And happy birthday again. Bye!
1, 2, 3, go.
Tatay, madami akong pera. Lilibrehin ko kayo kung anong gusto nyo.
Happy birthday, Daddy! We love you!
Hello.
Happy birthday! Sabi mo.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, tatay. Happy birthday, tatay. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, tatay.
Happy birthday, Tatay! I miss you. Huwag magpapagod. Tapos uminom lagi ng medicine.
Dad, ingat po kayo dyan lagi ni Mami. Huwag niyong papabayaan yung isa't isa. Tsaka namimiss ko na yung video okay natin.
Hi Dad! Happy birthday! Naalala niyo nung bata pa ako, mahilig na kayong kumanta nun. Pag Sunday, mula umaga hanggang hapon, nagvi-video kayo, nagkakaraoke kayo. Meron kayong isang beer at saka isang platitong mani. Tapos nun, ang lagi nyo kinakanta, favorite song nyo, yung How Much Is That Doggy in the Window. Tapos lahat kami magkakapatid nasa labas, tapos nag-aaw-aw kami. Nakakamiss lang, Dad, yung mga time na kumakanta kayo. Sana marinig uli namin. Total, uuwi na rin kayo, magpo-for good na kayo. So, baka tuwing Sunday, maulit yun. This time, hindi na kami ang cheering squad nyo kung hindi ang mga bata na. Happy birthday, Dad! Miss you! And alam ko naman na you love us in your own way. Special way. Love you! Ingat kayo lagi dyan. God bless and take care of yourself. Love you!
Love you po. Happy birthday, Tatay!
Happy birthday!